We are here at 31 Ubi Road 1, located off Paya Lebar Road within the industrial and business hub of Ubi. Let me show you around. Known for its prominent location and excellent frontage, this building offers a good corporate image for your company and is ideal for Infocom technologies, software development, and call centers. The workspaces are fitted with ceiling boards, light fittings, and central air conditioning, ready to move in without much fuss. The building also features modular and regular unit sizes to suit varying types of activities and businesses of all sizes. The building is a 5-minute walk to MacPherson MRT station and has easy access to Pan Island Expressway, East Coast Parkway, and Kallang Paya Lebar Expressway. Getting to work has never been easier. Be spoiled for choice when it comes to lunch because there's a cafeteria in the building as well as a variety of eateries nearby. Besides all that, your business at 31 Ubi Road 1 has ready access to a wide pool of skilled workforce that's within the residential area in the vicinity. If you'd like more information, please call or drop us an email. We look forward to meeting you in person and giving you a tour of the building.